Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make turkey curry. So let's get started. I've got here 2 kilos of turkey which I have cut into curry size pieces, washed and rinsed them well, 1 large onion chopped, 4 tablespoons of oil, 8 cloves of grated garlic, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 3 tablespoons of curry powder. I'm using homemade curry powder. I'll put a link below if you want to know how to make homemade curry powder. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 large chilli chopped, 2 sprigs of curry leaves chopped, half a teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds, salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Take a pan, put it on medium heat, add oil and heat it. When the oil gets hot, add cumin and mustard seeds, give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, add onions, curry leaves, ginger, garlic and chillies. Give it a mix and cook it until the onions get a light brown color. Add your turkey pieces, curry powder, turmeric, paprika and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix, add water, put a lid on, lower the heat and cook it for 30 minutes, stirring it twice during cooking. After 30 minutes, give it a mix and taste your salt. You can always add salt according to your taste. Cook it for 10 minutes without the lid or until most of the water is absorbed, stirring it twice during cooking. After 10 minutes, taste your salt again. Turn the heat off and garnish it with some fresh or frozen coriander leaves. I'm using frozen coriander leaves. If you want to know how to freeze coriander leaves, I'll put a link below. My easy turkey curry is ready. You can eat it with roti, rice or puri. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel.